Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, where I am joining in, and we are on day number 6. And it's all about traditions. So the traditions is that I took her festive cut file, which is just one, and I put them together, and I already backed them, and I'm going to use the Doodlebug collection. Now I put Let It Snow, Milk and Cookies, and then The Night Before Christmas. They all match in a sense, so I put them all together because I have hodgepodge stuff. So the tradition is that we always go to the Troops for Trees that is on post. And it is for military families that if you want to, you can get a live tree for free. And then they have a bunch of stuff, and they have hay rides and little things. And then there's free hot cocoa and cupcakes, hence the reason why I picked the cupcakes. And it's always a tradition for our family to go, and then they always light a bonfire. And it's always on the 1st of December. So like this one, this has already gone up after December, obviously. So we've already, when I film this, I haven't gone yet, and we will be going. So those pictures will probably be already up on my channel or up on like my social media, but we go all the time. I just love going. It's so much fun. And it's just, good fun for Kaylin. She loves it. My son loved it at this age. And so, yeah. So that is what we will be doing. So like I said, I will link this down below along with let's see what I can do. Okay, y'all. I am... it is Black Friday. So when this goes up, I know it's after Black Friday. I went into work, and now I am doing this voiceover. And I feel like y'all are going to see the progression of what 20 days of voiceover sound like when you have to voice over multiple times in one day. So I took the Doodlebug collections. Now, somehow, some way, shape, and form, I ended up having all of these Doodlebug collections. The Night Before Christmas, a baking cookie one, and another. There was another one that was added. Well, the one thing about Doodlebug is that no matter what, you can put all the collections together. In a sense, they all kind of work and match. So I am just kind of adding things that I like really a lot with this because Kaylin enjoys having Doodlebug on some of her layouts. I don't get Doodlebug a lot, but when it comes to Christmas and that kind of stuff, I did. So I ended up, after doing some research over Black Friday and everything, I ended up getting some of the candy cane lane for her just to add a little bit because I do have some photos that are just of her. So this is like one of them. The tradition is that we go out to Fort Gordon, like I've explained before, and we go to Fort Gordon and we it's all about the troops and just all of the stuff that we do, hot cocoa and all of that. She goes on hay rides, and it's one of those things where it's all military based. You have to have ID to be able to go to this. And so we just let the kids run. And that is the one thing I love about being in that military family is that we can just let the kids run and do whatever they feel like doing. And, and there is care in the world, but not care in the world. And this is one of those trips that we absolutely love doing. And so she always loves so the one thing that I do like about the troops the Trees for Troops and doing this, it kicks it off for the December. So it's kind of like, this is like my kickoff, other than my decor over Thanksgiving break. This is the kickoff that we do this for kicking off, just the December documented stuff. Because like I said, I don't do everything every day. Definitely don't. I don't have, I work, so I don't have things that, and I'm not going to take pictures of my desk every day because that just doesn't work either. So this is like the kickoff, the sound off of, yep, it's December and we're going to go do all this fun stuff. And the other thing that I like about this event is they have a bunch of blow-ups that they put up for the day or the evening. And she has always got to have some photos by that. And this time around, which was last year, it was just, Josh wasn't home yet. He was about 2.5 weeks out before him flying in. So, back from the day or whatever. And, she just loves, like I said, she loves doing this. So it was something that we're getting super, super close. And she didn't know when Dad was coming home. So I was keeping her busy all school year and all year long, until he got back. And while we were doing this, we were planning. I was on my phone a lot, and Kaylin's like, Mom, you're not taking a lot of photos. What's wrong with you? I said, nothing. But I was planning. So the only 2 really photos that I got of this particular day was this. And we didn't even stay long enough to see the bonfire because I was exhausted trying to get through all of this day and just keeping myself afloat because, it was crazy. I was being a single mom for a year and all of that. So I didn't even have a chance to stay for the bonfire. Normally I get the picture of the bonfire, and that is kind of our send-off as well because they burn, it's the light of the Christmas tree. They see Santa Claus. Garrison comes out and talks, which is not a big deal, but we're used to that because it's military. And then they just get to do all this, and then they light the bonfire. So it's just a good day to have fun and all of that. And of course, it is coming up. So when I do this voiceover, it's the week of this event. But when this goes up, we've already done it for the month of December. So make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. This is the festive treat. I will link this down below, but it is one of the new ones, so I'm just putting the name in there. And just remember, go to her shop, and all of her cut files are going to be 25% off up until the 19th in the United States, and then they go back to regular price, and that includes everything except for the classes and commercial license. So make sure you go check out that, and then make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week, collaborations, design teams, all of that. Make sure that you go and go to my shop. I do have a special there. The discount code is down there as well, along with make sure that you go over and hit my Facebook group. I am going to be starting my monthly crops where it'll be all virtual and we'll get challenges and all of that fun stuff. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you, and then I would love to have you in my Facebook family as well. I am just placing down these little bits of cups and hot cocos and all of this to this layout because it is my daughter's, and I love to make her pages in my December documented thing book pop out because it's just her and her bubbly personality. I am rounding out with my doodling. As y'all know, the still shots are coming up. I hope that you like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.